Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Fernanda. So for today's video is actually a very exciting one. My boyfriend got me a snack crate, which is a box. It can be a monthly subscription if you'd like, and they only start from like $7.99, and you can pick a variety of like countries or a different state. I don't really remember what he got me, but I'm very excited to try it out. And so a little bit about it. It says a world of snack surprises monthly, starting at $7.99, which I think that's a great price to get a lot of snacks. Yeah, I'm looking at the one from like, there's a Hawaiian one, and there's a lot of snacks. They look like full size. They also have Germany and Caribbean, Canada. They have all sorts, and wow, I'm so excited to open this up. So let's stop talking and I will open this up. Okay, so I have my handy dandy scissors right here, so I'm gonna open it up. How I said before, I don't know what country or where it's from, so let's see. Ooh, okay. So when you open it up, it's like this. Welcome to this month's snack adventure. Get social with us. Share your snack experience with SNACKCRATE. It says, we have something to tell you. An item was unavailable at the time. Aww. Your snack crate. Good news, we included a special snack to make up for the missing item. So that's really great of them. Ooh, okay, so he decided on Germany. I think this is really cool because I have never tried anything from Germany. Here it gives you a few fun facts about Germany and about the country, and I think it tells you the list of like what you're gonna get on the next page, but I don't want to see that yet. I want to like try it and then read it, you know, with more excitement. So again, this is how it looks like. It's such great packaging. So I just opened it up and I already see it's like packed with snacks, like packed, which is really great. And it looks like there's some like spicy ones and some more not really spicy, some sweet ones, and I'm really excited. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with these ones that are made with peanuts. So they're called, I'm sorry if I butcher this, I'm gonna do my best. So they're by this company called Lawrence, and they're called Erdnum Locken, and they're the classic, and they're the shape of a little peanut. Look, let me see this right here. I'll be rating them as well. It just tastes like peanut butter, but like in a like Cheeto thing. Like imagine like the Cheeto Puffs, but just like flavored peanut butter. That's what it tastes like, just like peanut butter. It's really yummy. Yeah, I could definitely finish this bag by myself. Let me read what it says. Okay, so this snack is a salty puff corn snack made with real peanuts. These are seriously addictive. I agree with that. They're delicious. I'll rate this. I'll give it a 9.5 just because it's the first snack and I don't want to rate it a 10 because what if there's something better. So for the next snack, I'm going to try it looks like it might be a little bit more spicier or more, I don't know, actually. They're called Chips Frisk. So I'm assuming they're just like potato chips in a way. Let's try it out. Right away they smell like barbecue chips. They literally look like and smell like barbecue chips. They taste like barbecue chips like in the beginning, but then it has like a little bit different like taste, like different seasoning. But honestly, I definitely prefer these more than the Lay's barbecue chips for sure. Dang, everything's so good. So I think I would rate this, just because I love barbecue potato chips like this, gonna say a 10. And that's really early on, but these are like super good. They're like, I don't know, I find them better than the Lay's, but they're like this. Love them. So what this says is classic crunchy potato chips flavored with taste of sun-ripe bell peppers. Oh, that's what probably gives it the, like, for me, like the better taste probably. So definitely get these if you ever in Germany. So for the next snack, it's gonna be this one. I've been eyeing it since I opened up the package because they're little balls and they're colorful. Yeah, let me try them out. They're like sour. They kind of remind me of like that gum, kind of like the bubble gum for some reason, but like crunchy. And I'm not the biggest fan of these, but they're good. They almost like, I one time tried Sour Patch cereal, kind of reminds me of this, I don't know why. These are the Frigio Nupster Puff Freeze. I'm so sorry, I should look these up. Well, it's called, oh, it says these are colorful fruit flavored bites made from rice and corn, are sweet with just a hint of sour in every bite. Yeah, definitely sour and a little bit of sweetness. I think my brother would like these, or my sister. I say I don't like them, but I keep eating them. These I give a 7 out of 10. So for the next snack, I'm gonna try these gummies. Well, I'm only trying one package because I'm gonna give the other one package to my sister and my brother. These are the Latch gummy minis. Oh, that's cute. So like a banana flavor. I usually don't like banana flavor or anything, but I'll try it out. At first you don't taste the banana, but then afterwards you taste it, which isn't bad. I just don't like banana flavored candy, but it's good. I see another flavor. I think this is like orange, so I'm gonna go for this one. Definitely like orange. I like these. They're a little bit chewier than the ones I've tried here, but I like how they're not as sweet. These I would give them an 8.5 just because it didn't wow me. It's nothing too different, but they're good. They're a good little snack. So for the next snack, I'm going to be trying this one right here. It looks like it has Nutella. Ooh, right when you open it up, it smells like it smells like hazelnut spread. Like, this looks so good. Okay, so you get two, so I'm gonna try one. It's like a little sandwich. And this is bomb. This is so good. Like, the spread is so rich and not super like sweet, but like it's like sweet enough. And oh, and then it has like little bits of the hazelnut. Oh my god, this is so good. I would have one every day. This one I think is my favorite for sure, I think. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend this one. It says here, a German favorite wafer treat with a rich chocolate and delicate hazelnut filling. There you go. Okay, so for the next snack, ooh, I like the packaging on this one. It's this little mini, looks like a pastry. Oh, wait, I think this one's a savory one. Because I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks like it has sauce and cheese. I'm assuming this is basil. I don't know, but it's the beefy, the original. Oh, and I think it has salami. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it up. Oh, it smells just like a pizza. Literally just like a pizza. It smells like a Hot Pocket, but also kind of like the Lunchables. That's what it smells like. Okay, so when you open it up, it's like this little puff. Whoa, it's the same color. It's like this little puff of like a little pizza thing. It's really good. It basically just tastes like a Lunchable, but I think this is way better. I would honestly prefer this than having to make my own pizza. I don't know, that's just me. I think if you would warm it up, I don't think you have to warm it up, but if you warmed it up, I think this would even taste even 10 times better. But this one, I would give it a 9 out of 10. So this one doesn't have any information, at least I cannot find it. Yeah, I can't find this, so I'm assuming this is like the special snack they packed for me, which thank you. So for the last snack, isn't crunchy or soft or anything like that. It's actually a drink, and I'm super excited to try this out. It's Mezzo Mix. Looks like this. Right here it says Cola Coost Orange, so I'm assuming it's like an orange flavored soda. Yeah, let's try this out. I'm glad they gave a drink because after all of this, you kind of do need something to drink. Kind of smells like Coke, like Coca-Cola. I mean, it doesn't taste like orange at all, if that's like one of the ingredients. Like, it just tastes like a Coca-Cola. It tastes really good. Definitely a 9.5. So once again, they don't have that exact soda on here, but they have something similar. But overall, that soda is pretty yummy. Definitely on a hot day with like some ice and with all these snacks. Perfect. In total of this box, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 snacks. Well, 8 because I got 2 of these. But 7 snacks in this box. And it was so good. Everything was so yummy. I can't wait to do another one. Honestly, if I ever go to Germany, if I didn't want to go before, these snacks would have literally made me want to go. Hopefully when this is over, we are able to travel again. Obviously being safe. And I definitely want to plan a trip there because all these snacks are super yummy. And I definitely, if you miss traveling, definitely recommend ordering a SNACKCRATE. I'm not sponsored by them, but definitely recommend them. They have a lot of countries to pick from. It brings a little bit of the world to you. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and comment down below what other country I should do because I definitely want to do another one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Have a nice day. Bye.